Who's going to miss me? When you get a Wadama, the Baha, you grant one of the Asada, and when you cry, we see you from busy, meaning I assume. Yimia, Bami, Nyaka. It is a Encana, no one or Belcomas. Now, who about Busa for her, you see me at Juma. The moon will share me out by Metatemi Puma. Vanessa Papani, or who I need people do. The bad idea. Who never be a person, a buano, within a tibuano. You couldn't cast a Muslim Benin. The diagram I was showing now be P. or Panu Yamu, you know, by a Luciani Mianis. Tomuana, Nahodo Catra. A giant who would pladia and find him to me. Mimia, Bamina, Dia don't say a friend of Pusho, Benadina, or friend and 2 money chin. Now, Yen, Yaboni have a sense you come into being Kolubiaba. The bass are not of our friend. So, one would be Frank Ramaha. Into Mini of Bushana Wahanim. Now, Bushan for born or Hanon so. Yes, one. I know Yami on a quite fast way in Miano. The Vijana Pie, a must be about why I do. And the Venice Dinam Yaja. Also, the penny out here in Nan. Mamma de Frail. Now, I say, Uniha. Now, bad. Also, nay, a pound for this year. Venice said it. I want to take a money to see. Who won now also on my swat. I'm proud of saying, who will do my meeting. If you go see, say, next city piano, you don't put them party a bit here. The Bay of Miano, Falcon, and say, Jano Pan, I don't be young party. The Faban Falcon couldn't be number 3. Nessie, I did call you back, make a cry in the crowd. 7 pennies in Finum, Sakari Kayadishi, Yabedia, you have a Busian one. To Adama, a man of the cannot be trained on Como, a Masuano, and one and I'm so much a dear to hay. In Tiamania Pass, you need Kunumra, and I said, I'm yet a sea. If you want to rent your full motivation, Madame, you some under Quasuno and Sunny this year. In Gibrabonisa, and Eddie the Simon said, yeah, this year, Pam and Yapo, better Bishop, Yapo, I Namidia, or friend to one thing, the buyer. Yamaniti one.
You hope you home. What to do?
You, anyway, not funny. My general in the 18 now, when we say, oh, Bob, I'm an innovative here, and so on, before say, about some day tonight, the two human and powerful. In Yano, the Tiani say, answer number 2, Mama introduce you. Actors coming from industry, your producers, your actors. You or directors. Okay, me only that's a producers and point to make us say that's now near any media. You know, say other situations and I'll be more in no actor to a name actors guild Japan and you know. Yeah, if I'm free, I want to be introduced. I job is for a friend Bill as someone. Actors, you know,
Patch your friend, my patches. Yes, executive member.
Patch your friend, Big G. The executive member.
Patch your friend, 50 40. Me Vice President 5 Park. So if I'm doing somebody, the President 5 Park. You can't 5 Park now. And firm producers association can. You yeah, no correct. Oh Fred, I can say I say now you are going to. The 3 million only over in the place said the bishop. Yes, I say, assistant. Oh my time, you do go before the time. And then I'm surprised. The money one and then Shana or the buy. The
for example, one money.
Now, Bishop,
Obi Obosmas. If you super promote it,
Very much. You brother.
Nana is from Jibu. Kumasina. A year we are in tea. A Bushia said, you be seen Kuna. And so that's a boy, from one, Bushiano Bewufi. Yes, in Kuna. You move your Cobasa, and Tanasicra, Bears for. Sabi Joseph said, Une and see you, October class on Fasoche. Here, but then you think Canada, who did you cry? The Bushiano Bewufi. Nti said abaya shemra say yemru ni pedum bra ya bodwa bia no nti sadofo wa beche meme dai na hotweda aye chena ewo paakoso na busua no be wo fie nti abusua no nanka yesre na munimi se wo be ye moasa busua kakere wo ho na betena ase nti wo ba na achi a unya kunya ntena so se de be ye nya ba mani wo tia busua na wo Janto de ma mo se madawro ma nye enye ani sese ke ye ne sa na se de abaye ka no fi se mo obi ere oba wo mfata akonya na zo mpane sise bi se odi abo no fachi a opro wo nsem idi mo ni mo nyam ni mutumi am wachi a ye wo ha na bachi ye nyina akọ nti sa na ya yan sise no na enso sebe obaba busu afoforo ka mo ho yi nye ye susu no no popne so a na ya mana ye emra
Union is simple. The all cannot them say, Necano, that is a stadium run is here. You're saying you for big hour, if you are being over, you have to pass. I must say, your fine will be 1,200 penalty units. 1 penalty unit is here 12 cities. You know, multiply by 1,200 now. I was well, now come in fear 9. Sebi ye benya ye ni abetena se ne yakodam enfie 9 ya menyi ni ye se ye nua no kra no sa me de nim se ye nyansi ne de ya sa me kra bia meeting kra wo gina
sa no
na ni baje se ya bedi ni na atweda na akowie prison na ye nsoso ne adwuma ye ye no etufo sa ya kira de ye enti asema aban kan o se ye diso na ye ehwesodie ma ahoho anasa afoforo di said ye abusua ne hyehyɛ ye no atie no ye gitu sa na ye ma abusua ne enko se amanye bia no na emom no anioma ba ku mienu bi ne ye bepɛ sɛ abusua ya ban e bia na ebi ni na ebi so ni ye ma muhu se utie nsɛm a ɛkɔ so radio so ne social media so a enkanka the bishop dinati ni mi an dinati o kan sɛ enu an yare yi ne ma ye ma busua te sɛ enye no koreta ye nyina me time ya wie no mu ye den no me ho ene ye nua baba o mateda sorry no friend no director bishop ya ni mu aye so ki pese akɔhwɛ no ya nya kan akɔhwɛ no nti dia tia ne se mu aye den ba condition ni de yini na ma ya nya ne ma me number ti me de number ne mam na de mo beti na ye o nti me de number no me de konkran your ministry nti ye ko ye minister ho e de asem no koto na ni ana minister here said there be yare no I will say you that's a specialist bi kura omo peman se ye jani sa se wono na o yare enti no no kwanko no yare nti minister yi Socrates Safo nti Socrates friend aye bishop man first time no ka chen to mo kekos o be drum kan be friend nti no o ko so ne ma be ni di kita ho na aye national nti e chi do for so ye nya bishop na mu no o de grand minister di amanu na ema na bishop Catherine say sabi wo bia wo bia mo a enti no na che say bibia nu aye betimi aye efi say penifo say betimi di aboa no akonsu no na nmo ntimi hye ne say ono nipa na o ya ne yare ne say onhia mo a wo be de no kwa akopoa no enti say Ghana fo nu ye enam de ebinum kekanti say o ya nkyere wodo ye nua no yare ye no ye dan ye chima na nya no kreda. We did our best to bring in the government. The government was ready, but yenuano ani abusuano na ama ho pa. Ntino enya no pre ta. Se bibisa esi. Te bia na abusuano enya awe na bia mutumudi ye ho ya. Se ye no na ekoba na wayare na se bia yi ni ba kwa ma. Tina awe se ye mamu na busuana aka no so mama omogu ye course nti na ene ye nam sa akwa e so e ma short
abusuana ko esempa yidi nkai mejina busuana nam na sibibi tochima ye de chopa amam mpenense biase obi a wo mobulo ne de oyade wo yare ya yedwene ma wo sha se nem de wo se bia na binnim sa mini se bra call no bai na busuani nyina ni ho ti do fa phone na o ansa sa de no ma mo ba na o dada mo se ne na bia yo no ko adwene bi ko ameka mini bishop na bi ko na busuani bi ko ampene so abrabo na ankura nti bia na de ono bia o fa phone no minimum adwen ba ne ti minim pa poten fa ye na so de ese bia ye ka bo mu se mo mfanche bia enu anu ano obi so yare bia yo obuno bia de a mi no doctor fo bi se obi yare a na bi no rumu a papa na nti o yare enta ma na haye bia ofi ne ma bia enye wodi twa se ye mo aduru ye si di asa na aduru ye o ho aduru o se mi ni na duru no kwa nti yare fo bia to da ya na ye nyina ne nsem so be mu anofo nti ba sa madaroma mo mfanche na mesrese se de Ghana fo nyina esinimi se ono ha bosi ni kui nyini papi ni nim de course nti mo anya wa fo moku na mo fo moku bia na mo ni nim nti mudi e ba bonti madaroma mi je busan nya na mo de chopa ma se nso bia ba mo mfanche
ana Papa President Akanina kakra so a me gina minuanom eye actors na nem akanese yeda wase se wagina abusuana nem na wode chawpa no aba enne yetu gina ye bi enam ne ekokokoko so TV so ne radio so no e ma ye kuo no executive ni tu gina ye bi se actors ni nyina in CZ fire ne oye yodio ne wo ka asem to obi so ne wo bo obi din aka asem bia no bia ntwa so esanse yenua no odo a ye ne ne ditina adwuma mu no enye ni sei na ye pe no eba afoforo na ebi de da share yaw ne ade ye niam bebre enne sen ode kire do sen ete sen yenim se yenua na ide afrim entino ya ka kire obia se obia nye din na mom se bibia nkoka papa ena media no so no sesei adoso obia pese yetenenka entino okopeja asem no na okoye yodium na so kososo wanya bi ye den entino ye tu ejinamoafo ye tu momonenso ne yesre ne se nyame aya adom a ye ne mo ahie mokwa futu kakra so nkoma abusua ititiu bra panyini Isaac se ne ba aye nyina no or the yaw grant interviews kasa no so ya tenten no na mfumso de yes sir ye ni enua no apam a eda ye ntem mi ye sure so no won hye da ni eno abeto oba ye nso ametu mi yie ye pa ne chew ni yen ye penese ye nua no ye be kra no kama senya corona bi afiri ba bi na abesense wie mu a anka nye ni kra enti no na maka yate ye damas na mi shram na mo so no mu hu ye mobo na ye nkoso nkan mum se de ya ka bom na ye nye enua na ye amaniye ti ye ja ye tia na jina kakra na twati na ya twa emre pa abushia de eyi ni be ye bomba ye senke nu sa amre no na bibi firi so na ka beti kuru na ahoma ni na fe yetimi because bishop or adofo so we sini na se umpie abonten a ya unhu the impact why ye wo nipa na dofo no metima ka se emu 1000 kra no wo ehu wo na yi ase sa nipa ba be kire wo do nti se mere no so na nyame ya adom na se bibie firi ho a eniam ye bema abusu ehu se sabi adwuma na odin ho be do me na nye akohwedwuma aye metima ka se adwuma we nku a na break protocols se obi ka do ko tunfo ho ana se na na kufu ado ho no protocol a be famu no ba wuduru ho no mo a security for come bishop na be me say wo be ka se na adwuma no kra no nya na wono ne ama na street ayi regime say on follow no no ato na musa na wakoba bia eso adwuma we ma nipa bia nka yemu wo mo ne abempon to se diti ti enua no e be ma busua emu se sabi anwanse ni bi kra mo sabi ti de essence me no so a busua ma ya asonte de wo se yes industry no ye no ye be ye na mami mi se wo se mo be pese e be kwa akose ye minister na wanda wo ni ye di nkomo ona mo bisa ye se ye ne what na se bia mo be ba be se no officially na ye nye sa agreement se ya we share
wanda ma obi no chi fa se pa ko ana mo ko ye ni mu di se je be su yi wona obe che kwa se mo free hey aga paida ndi am do mako ana pa so si pa mo ko na mo am ko enti service betu ya ga kwa be mo bi amanye to na o ma kwa da fo se be bi se ko kan bi ya ngwa se de be yo
se na yensre info on se mo be pa na
Start at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. And out of a year,
you say, yes, we are telling officially. Or the day now, you say, yes, a bit more about Bushian, and she said, ask this is now what the ra. Now you be. This is here, I have to say, if you if you sound your platforms, you are pictures, I will go say, and you
I don't want. You see the people say that's it, you know. My woman, me was an associate. Let me jam or didn't feel and don't can be na meso or woman. Now, I don't know, we don't get to listen. Yes, let's say the way I bet me, a point about the year. Let's say they are you content one, not a boy. The Yoma can be some one. He said, yes, you will be able to have him, but you are me on that. You're from so big bar, now, Roma, nobody so in the morning, never pay it. I know they might. Bob Benjamin must be video class, I had a very perfect.
Papa,
see.
Dabi, Obia and trouble.
I have been young, Messi will
shall we say, independent, a back on Kwan, who are now with you.
Opening out your Madama. Your best left by Yami at my charm, Kwana, ye dinner, or the year by Moboso. And I'm up to see you. You should be near to my cardia. The best reply.
I'm some person, sir.
Yo, I'm out for way I'm so from the day the Kwaku man make catch us away Dave Hammer. TV Kumasi dear. You cut Dave Hammer, Hello FM, why back up. By the TV soon I'm what you say. I know what the Santo Yasantaya Bolombo Bolom. I'm love it.
LPM Cultural Center in the Ashanti region, Abra, Bishop Benanyako Bushiane, the Actors Guild, and the Film Association for Ababishia, Namiaminia Bill, Asamoah, say, you will Jumedi and some kind of campus in Busano. Bill, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miriam.
You should be a boko.
Yamian.
Dear Tomoni.
Obey any day. A canipa. Intiaba, a rechitre and the woman. Yeah.
I was a Bishop Benanyako Bushiane, the Actors Guild, the Film Producers Association of Ghana, and some kind of more kind of me say, who seem tough a crab in my.
Nina Muna Mamre Quansono, Busiana Jatum say, Omunia Bema Bishop, or near Bebo Busia, I saying, Yanene Juma, and Tino Abani say, no Mamre Quansono, also more seeing. Even though the media are vibrant, we've all heard it, but the right way is that the Busiano will come and tell us or inform us, say, they are abenye, na in Shishebia or more Wobiano or more Edia Tuyenim, na yensu support to be a Wobiano, Edia Mom. Even before or Mobebano, the Actors Guild, we issued out a communique, say, we announced his death, but we are waiting to meet the family and listen to them. Na Bibiano in regards to Shebia or Ubiano. The 2 years anymore, we also support them, and then we'll help put our brother to rest. And then Omabi years to say officially Ochna and a year 1 week, you know. So they want us to be there to commiserate with them, but because of the social distancing protocols in Intino, and yes, sir. Yeah, but the normal 1 week observation, just that we will pass through, we will just express our condolences to the family, and then we will go back home. Yeah.
So China Hifa nebe koson.
China me aduma koso consecutively in Accra and Kumasi. And Kumasi the na air park koso. And Accra the was a lake view, lakeside was a lake view in Accra. Yeah. Yeah.
Me say am for be running commentary mo call for make us more colleagues running commentary. Me say you were dissatisfied with some of their comments. What would you like to say about that?
I was only asking family no omumwaye na yeso ye mwa na yensie ye nuano ekwan fe so. Reason being that e no a whole lot of commentaries and at the whole can and ayate. Those who are saying say the association did not support our brother in time of need and all that. A few of our colleagues also feel what they know, they will have to let it out so that the public will know say the Abusiane can sanity. But in all this, what I was saying is the optimum is say you be in peace. Not your brother no. I'm not sure this is what he wants. Say only there's a feud between the family and the actors and all that. No. The executive had to come out with another press release asking the actors and everybody who thinks to cease fire, because it's not going to help us. So, we have to sit down and then together mourn our brother. No, it's not healthy. And then in these times, Corona times, we are not in normal times. And I was saying, who say we are all fighting a common enemy. And then it is not any amount of words and never sounding about back. So we should all put things behind us, rally together, and then get our brother a peaceful barrier and 1 week observation.
I think say Bill I can't say me wo me tribune one thing I used to say is all these commentaries from pastors, from spiritualists, from actors, actresses, and you know that the bishop besan. So I think say Bill like I say Bill yeah that's it.
I name so that's it.
Nyame aduma yi na ye beba be rally ni abeta mochi.
Sure.
The chairman of the Actors Guild Ashanti Region Amotene can Bill Asamoah Amotene can yebesa koye nua ba ho Martha Joyce Arthur ne ani Martha so akasa Martha so de na ho fe ene ne munyam ebeta atwiti na won se wasusa wo hwe nani ase okay Martha Joyce Arthur was a Martha net saying me won say why too emotional, so sad. Bishop is gone, no amount of tears will bring him back.
Yeah.
There was a bishop for ne maba bishia and then I walk.
Oh, dear, my person can say it's in the right direction. Almost a bishop or ye, but a mamre any money in Tonchini. A bushia for so who did, so officially no was almost see a year say, you know, I ratted. Omoba and Suyaji Omoa Paso.
Somebody in somebody.
Patchai, a mamre. So say a mamre fee for Yansu Yatre, a mamre, into Omodern San, Snap, and Kotuami, Ediaba, Abese, industry in a ye. Nayanso, Ediakomapa, Ajiatu, and she shall be a dear chin. Yansu, your mother discusses say, a bay of Muchu.
Yamia Dumochina and 1 week in the air basu, Mahum, what is saying?
Because of COVID-19, Yabe, when you say David, dear, and Casim, we are 2 years, and 1 week in Quebec, Buja, and to say, your man penny, I didn't share better. yɛntumi ntwe ɔpampania no nyɛ dɛ ɛnwɔ fam nti abusua no de bɛto yɛ anim sɛ ɔmo srɛ yɛn sɛ woba fie hɔ a na wokyia na wokɔ woba fie hɔ na wokyia yɛn so already no yɛdi kan ne yɛ members ne kasae sɛ saa na ɛwɔ sɛ ɛkɔ no sisi a yɛntumi nya ne te sɛ deɛ daa no yɛyɛ nneɛma fa nti yɛbɛkɔ individually and obi duru hɔ a na wakɔkyia yɛntumi nkɔ mmom because of COVID-19 nti ɛno ane ade a sisi abɛtɔ hɔ a ɛha adwen but ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɔ yɛ ho nso ban
do you this mo members ombedi so
baby ebedi so na wa wonim ɛyɛ asam nso yɛsrɛ sɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn ni so ma yɛ sɛ de bɛyɛ sɛ bi yɛmfa yɛ mampani ne mu nyɛfo ɔyɛ yɛ mampani nti deɛ ɔbɛka no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde yɛ adwuma
ɛkasa ka bibi baako fa bishop ho adeɛ na obetima ka
David asɛm wɔ deɛ obisa me ayɛ bɛma mesu Pambi no yɛ ni papa sana bɛka
yeah that's Martha Joyce Arthur thanks for your time Abusia it's so sad ipa yɛne ɛwɔ movie industry now all of a sudden is gone it's a very sad issue nyame admo channel 1 week no ɛdo tie nyina yɛbɛkɔ na yakɔ jam Abusia no yɛkɔ gya Abusia no na yɛnyina akyekyerɛ ɔmɔrɛ tie twa ho aba yɛba yɛne Abusia no so bɛkasa live on Dave Oma TV right Abusia aba bɛhyia the Actors Guild Ashanti Region and the Film Producers Association of Ghana meka Bishop Bernard Nyako a onya ne ba bi kɔ Abusia ɛwɔ ha sei na ɔmo si gyinae no yɛbɛsɛ yɛtie tɔfabɔ no ɛfiri ɛyɛ kasamafo ma Abusia no ade yɛ makɔ baba de Oma TV so
meje so na mesre se trio ha kodje nso ache enti Bernard bra pani wa hai mepɛ sɛ ɔno bɛka kakra na mde bi asoso
okay
ai
pani na bibia bɔkɔ
Amiado
da nyame ase sɛ ɔde mo abeduru asomdwe mo em sɛ 2 pm pepepe na mo yɛ sɛ mbaba beduru ama yɛne film producers for Asia na mo ba yɛne sɛ na ne masikɔe
me ansane bekasa no menya ne nua pani oyɛ ɔno mum na yɛ pani
okay
yeah na yɛ bae no yɛ de nyame ase yɛne yɛ kumase yɛ kasamafo nana ene di enim yɛ bae nso waboa yɛ ma nneɔma nyina yɛ kaba yɛ hwɛ nneɔma yɛ bae bɛto yɛ president ne vice president like omo aboa yɛn ama nsɛm na ɛbae no ne enim sɛ yɛbɛba bɛfa no so difficult but yɛba nneɔma mu adwoa ma yɛn nti ɔmo aboa yɛn like bibia yɛ kama sɛ deɛ pɛ no
nyame adom ɔkyerɛ na ɛyɛ 1 week no ɛhyɛ te sɛn
ɔkyerɛ nyambo a adeɛ no ayɛ 2 yɛwɔ bi wɔ nkran abusuafoɔ no majority of abusua no wɔ nkran ana Kumase nso yɛbɛtena ase nti nkranfoɔ no bɛtena ase Kumasefoɔ bɛtena ase Kumasefoɔ no yɛbɛstart from 8 o'clock no 7 o'clock 8 o'clock no na abusua tena ase na because of yade abɛnti no yɛnyɛ ne sɛ normal adeɛ no asiesie yɛ no like yɛbɛsi nkonya abusua nkonya not less than 25 nti obi aba na wokyea yɛma sɛ unity protocol ne tie no yɛma kwan sɛ kɔkyea na wafirifio na akɔ ti ne pɛ sɛ yɛyɛ no
kasamafo yɛda Bishop nia ketewa ase na mɛba ne Abusia kasamafo sɛdeɛ mɔkɔ aba
yaja
bɛbɔ din
yɛfrɛ me ko kyerɛ gyan akoraba asua from jebi Bishop yɛ me yɔnko na ɔbɛn me yie ebi obi bɛka sɛ yɛ hu sɛ ɔne ne nam wofa pani yɔnko a yɛmfa na nkyerɛ bɛdwom kyɛtɛru deɛ nea ɔna sɛ opin no baabi akɔkɔhwɛ da tukosua no wɔnyina hɔ antu nkɔ soro wɔni buonko ntumi hwane da enti na yie mu na ama ebi a bibi sɛ yɛpie na me bɛn no enti nam so ma papa no abusua nya bɛyɛ mabusua no bi enti ɛbrɛ a ofiri mu no na kɔba sɛ sese yare aba wiase nti yɛnkɔ ne aba yɛkata nkranfoɔ no baabi a tete ne yɛ nkran ɛna adwuma de ne bɛpie ha enti mɛka sɛ ha na obeto abrabo de aka no so etini yemu pa no ne kese ya abegyina ha na busua no nyina so won kran enti abusua no betran kran na wo mo a wokumase nso abusua kakra wa ha no atena fie na makase yensi nkonya wo mo tena se na yare ni ntie se obi abɔ no ho bai enti abusua na betran ase no uba na abɛkyia na wokɔ minim sɛ yɛ makonya no mmoro so na aba wanya bi kura tena so fɛ sɛ obɛkyia no mo yare ni nti na aba sa wokyia
na wokɔ enti ye nsi nkonya sɛ de da bia yedi na wotwe da ye no abusua no nkwa na te oba na akyia wo no ma aha enti saa na te na nka ye mpɛsɛ ye bɛtena sɛ na so ankoba sɛ enye ye fi sɛ be ye nua no meka sɛ sinifo abo na mana bobra wanya din ti koba sɛ ka sɛ yare no so nti obia ni fie hɔ a ahwe a kyena kwa moda kwa asɛmfo fura ka sɛ abusua fo fura na akyere na mo awe enti twa sɛ abusua no ɛtena se kakra na emom ye nsi nkonya sɛ de yɛtaa yɛ ayi ana na ɔtweda no tuba na bɛkye abusua no a na ukɔ enti uba ne amu akonya emana ha yare no ye nyina yesuro owu ye ya ohun na ma yetu ndi sɛ yɛ amɔ ho ba ne nso ewu ate sɛ obi akɔbrɛ wu no aso mpafe nam aha ndi sɛ boy ho bai nai
obani yɛda se de besi bia se yɛta mochi
enokre
na yie da ne so duru a meni sɛ ɔkyena nam bɛda yie da na anamboa
yie ne de busua no yɛbɛya hoɔden na firi enkran wɔfa nom hɔ na sɛde yade ya bai nti yɛmpɛsɛ bɛtutu mirika bibia mu sɛ nyɛ yade ya nka yie wei de menim sɛ nka kɔtɔkɔne ha se kora nya dɔm brɛ mbɔbɔ de sɛ yie wei na sɛ yade ni nti ama bibia yɛ hu nti de akora do bɛfiri nkran baba no ne yɛn so yɛ ma mo aso ate
yɛda kasamafo ma busua na se Bishop Benanya ko busiani na me adom ochina 1 week ne ba so ye bedi akire na de be koso bia no ya ma mo so mo hu bi na mo so mo hu oden ne mo sika ne mo bibia ye de nyina ye den ye de attach to keep watching Dave Hammer TV. This is Enyaminia Big J and so our cultural center ono na ye organizer ma 5 pack Big J big dia na wo kafa Bishop Benanya ko busia e ba e ne culture be say mo ye officially
and the many age because on sembe bre akoso enti se de omodi ba ye o se nipa na oba what dia hobrase e ba je go se ade ato ye no are ho ha dwen bebre sanse now so we social media we can say but on ba no ma hu se de ombusian de omo ye kra omo mpre so na mo nipa no ikaka se kan enfa nipa no ma ba ke bi ti o se ye kra de asi we akire no ye kra na afa no na se ye so ye busu akase ebusu na wo so obadwa busu afoforo bi ti so ye busu ye nyina ye ka bom ni atra se ni akora ye nwa ne fefefe ma bibia ye kama ti na de me asema me kan se ye sere o mo social media no o mo nto mo bo wa nkobi enso ohuni obeka hu nsem bebre ese de bishop bi ewu kra na ogina ho a wo ka bi ba de me kan nyina ne se atu nwe wonu wo ne die wo a wo kan wo hu die apu ni ba bia anyo enti obi afie bia ni mansem bia nim obi afie ne die e hyawa no afre ne die ka obi die ana se de manfo si ka obi se sini adwuma no uguma ne se oye bayifo oye wei die na benya afrim e fi twese ni ka se de bia di pewu enti obi be se o kire se ai Ghana wa efie obi elipe nwu ofie o coronavirus by amanfo kan wate me marero ye kum nipa kra che no be re nyina adwan de akogina ho ye be sere o mo ye nwa no wawu a man ko da din ye nya fa odo enkamom bishop opodo wonya hia wo ha obesi aye kra no me de me na kete ba ko so ye fia ne movie bi atwa ye fia akra bi jan mene no owu ye ne wo fa wo Germany me no frem say wati bibi se ka menye busuani si do for from Germany say wati say na akoso no kre unwia no na ne nam once my interview bi enye na busafo be sha menye interview ba dia because me no mu say me nwani wo no ha me enye kasa be ba me ka no na bibi e de baba back it mesre me sada me sayem esremo etiefo ene ye nwani general for ebi se bi o mu ti di drug issue no anu odin yes from man so ya ni fie ha ontui oni ni fie asem obi ani ni fie asem adwuma bia ni wa matuma ka we bi nim wo sabi esene tachirama omboko wi omo aso ka omo asem etima stress na ye ne nyina nka bom na praye we ba ko ebu ka bom yede emu na ka mo kana no
thank you very much Minia Big J organizer for 5 pack yeda se pa ka say nyame shop yede we see ya abusia Big J na want ten kan. This is Dave Hammer TV, don't go anywhere.
Yo, mind this year, me no mo son for honorable punch. You should keep watching Dave Hammer TV. Subscribe it with every social media. We YouTube, Bluetooth, Instagram, Instamo, Instashoe, Twitter, Twitter, everywhere. Subscribe it. Dave Ama TV. If you go there, hey, you see that you are in heaven. I'm telling you.
We say I'm about Dave Ama TV. So your cultural center, your jazz club to be specific, and then the Film Producers Association of Ghana. Miami Bra, Madamfo, maybe Bia James Abuaje President Dano Ebishia, Bishop Bernard Nyako Bushia. Now officially number say the film industry no a year or Ashanti region. President was he? President Akaba.
Yeah.
Yawoko.
Nyamiadum. So some ho ye de.
Nyamiadum ye ho ye. Ade ato ye ni.
Ato ye nyina ni. Ato Ghana fo nyina ni. Na mpanifo se de ade ato na ni so so nye no na eyie. Enti na wo se ye kire odo. Na ye bo abusua no. Na don ama Ghana fo so bedum yen. Na mso be yi de ato ye ni. Enti ohun se ye hia ha. Eye nua no. Ho abobo a ne yedie.
Ansa abusua aba. Na mba ye o ma no di sem ni sem.
Yo na kre mpanifo se de da no wan fa na anto wa free to ana se de che na wan fa che wa free to e wo mu se ye nyina yate se ye nua no wa free mu but by our tradition amamre ni amane kwa so no e wo se omo ekose omo ese omo se omo de nana nyame ya adoma abusua no officially omo no abe inform ye se ye nua no wa free mu na nyame ya aduma ye ochina Saturday china meme abusua no ebetenase na ewo pakoso ewo asokore mampo area ho no but said the covid na sia ye ninti no at any point in time any pa more than 25 intimate tenase teja oko na okopeja wonsa ama abusua hu se waba na ososo oko
Bishop Goyi, was it a shock to you, the industry?
Oh, yes.
Why?
I was shocked when I heard the news.
I didn't care.
The man is shocking and said, and Chai, and a uniano, on one or two, and to say, she said, yeah, or Chinnan Worfis near Jumum, no, Koyina near Juma. And Tinacha said, why recover? Yin will say, oh, set time I know Yarida Catesono. One cast asked him to Koyana Juma.
So Bishop really recovered.
Yes. For him to say, I'm taking a break, and I say I'm moving out of the industry. Marco continue the ministry, no. Just say he was good. He was fit. I know better my Juma.
When you are hinting say or stati Nyame Juma no kra ansana.
Oya kakra. Kanyen kofo didi enkomo on say but on say obi a wayare na or recover the ahoɔden ni wo bebre so obeye no vigorously but the na na ahoɔden e ma ho kwan sɛ obeye onye ne de o hyase sɛ oye and say all of a sudden yenka bi nhyiemu a yete sɛ enua no wa free mu nti no indeed we were shocked. Personally I was shocked.
Na money ni din sa was sure time na oyare no because there is this commentary rallying around say more industry be more abandoned no. How is that true?
Meka say there is no truth in sansem na air kosono say yenua no ya abandon no and I say ye yini man no enye no kreda. As industry we did our best. There are individuals also they tried send come back kwakwa no. If the Bible crack us and be used in the can was him free me sonko Abraham yare no ma me hweme so ni nyina ye enipa ni nua nkuta hodie on say you can never see God ti Jesus say wo beye wanya ma unua no anya ma me and the Bible confirms was me bu nipa say me nseso so why are we struggling to go and see God when we despise our fellow human being do you ma unua why am nyame this unua ne yare a eso kohwe no if say we nyame abode nyame nseso aha nti na we say kohwe no but a kwan na ama abusua no ama ho kwan so hu nti aha nti ama so wo mo a which kind of mo na dey come if say nipa no unhu no yare da hom unim yare a aye no so
una position our Film Producers Association of Ghana e wo aban ase anya bia mo tamo yare da wono mo ma ban hu ye se na ne ho dodo no aban so eye se obeye bibi ana se bibi se ansi because bishop onye ni ba keto asa o
ini ameda ase de tiene se na aye den si ebehu no ndi eye enua ba Matilda Sare eye ya nyane maame number timo ha na Matilda frame se director manya bishop maame number timesra mu ade mu beye bia no monye nti maame tu anamon ekoye ministry eye creative arts ministry timene Socrates ekodi nkomo ana Socrates yes no ene Socrates safo
okay
I was say obo minister amane the Socrates to minister anim ana minister put to Socrates in charge say on hwehwe ni nua no baby owo na yen kohwe ne yare da home say was say a specialist grammar no yen pema no yen fansa ne yare yes na yes the ministry and the government with the support of the industry no we were ready to do the OCA bia and you know Socrates a friend maami beginning na akoye de bia na ma time oni Socrates book appointment na wasesa no at a point ma Socrates out of frustration kan ka say maami ndi dia wu ye ya ompese be hu ba no ndi wo wudi a oba be boy amane ana finally onya bishop ni di nkomo ama nkra ye minister ni aban no ewo nyina no but they say the government is ready to take care of your sickness and you know my yenhia na yenhunu de ye enuane ka say onhia amwa bia nti obi o yare no to onhia amwa no ade yes eno na ma no koye te said ye sabi ya dan ye chi ama no nyese ye dan ye chi ma no da senka yinya kwan no a yes I know you name the reason why so na busuano empese ye be hu no eye abusuani ne nim de nti o ma me ye ntimi ka ho hwe
me kai say wa grant ono mu grant interview the reason why o ka kire ono ani ma me say o mpese be hu bia be hu industry me nim say wa hwe sa interview na
anya me nya hwe
ono aka say ono an ma ne ma me the instructions because no didn't say bimu ba you guys were going to just take pictures and videos to just show his disgrace.
Oh
yes, that's what I heard in one of the interviews.
Ye nuanom ye papa no mo industry mu mo yare a ye mu be con my ko twa pictures ne ye no e bia nu a de baba ridicule nipa no if you say so yare na for some time nipa hu a ya no mo refi and obi o ha na ya say abatakari adoso nti ma ye hu kramu papa enti obi betimi di obi din kura akwa ka se nipa semesi wo yare enti e bia ye koboa no abra na no kranim but evidence. Let me put it this way, picture no lie ye nua no oni ni condition ni ana nyamu anyina na yesika o e bia yare na aye wo no obi wo ho anu aduro benifo so ton wo yare a na aduro obi a specialist wom or your fan or do but we nim do be there wabo me nya sure say no obi o motive bi say me yes ade no na me de akosere me nua no yare da ho da bi so wo sa adwene no a nyame fa ncha woda nyame mfa ncha woda say wo kotwa wo nua no picture na de asere no wo kofie ne yare da ho na de asere no na wonim wo chena de beto wonim de beto nti me nya sure say no obi wo sa ade no so say me nua yare me ba behwe no na no the say wonye the first person industry mu yare a yakwakohwe no bia ni obi di akotena ba bi di akwakosere npa kro so tia say the to no betimi to obi a it can be for me the other thing na me kwakohwe no na me ba besere no
why do people think and people tag the movie industry as evil?
I don't know. If you are not evil, if you don't think evil, why do you look at your brother and call that person an evil person? Just adwemboni wo trim. So when you kronfo a onfa wade ento ba bi na se nipa don bi hia onko dwene se omo amahia no omo yakronfo ndi se o tag industry no nye ne eba e wo free tete say evils wo mu kra na ba bi aso dem kra no ye wo evil ho asante mamu ayati evils wo ha Ghana mamu evils wo ha ndi evils wo Ghana ntino na ye betu Africa na kotra ma foforo so na ba bi akonim se de wo sitie heaven kra there were evils say evils in heaven asanka Satan ama and ye nipa idie and you know for somebody to conclude say evil industry no I totally disagree. Adia na wo ba mu no wo ba ye ma obi eyes beti evil ni o ma kire wo so ti ase penifo si udi kokko na anya oda bisa wo se what did you do to merit that retaliation? Wow, cancer asem one na beti me yi ano.
Wow. Yeah, that's only the president of FIPAC. My final question. There's this commentary rolling around. Commentaries need also from pastors, from prophets, from spiritualists. You bet mine clear. There been pa ne yi enu money free mo. Na man fu nyai commentaries no mo ye fa no no. And obi na ye ni say, and obi na ye say, no obi na ye say. Where is all these things coming? At the end of man bishop free mo. Na man fu nyai side na mo ye.
Until say pathologist amobeye postmortem ama yehu yare ekun no obi enu obetima kire if say wontimi time am ye sure say ye wonipa bi wo ha corona ku omo a ye hunu ye fa ne say ti yare bi ne ku omo but e bi a kire no omo wie ye call examine body ne hu say because they say according to reports kra no France omo pa che say corona crack nipa our France December ni mo say but they didn't know so what you say entino the enkofo keka no I don't really get it say wadwen rumors so say na nam say bia report bia ma entino nipa net wono anu a create ne de no de ka na we ne kunu none of us yenye doctor say ye hwe no and sometimes cry yare bi ye betimi de yare bi aba hospital doctors nka ya mu hunu is a later no mu say yare we ntini ye postmortem no postmortem to confirm the suspicion you don't call hospital in the first place, you know the doctors become suspicious say oh you suspect say yare we dey and you have symptoms na e betimi ay CSM. Yes, symptoms na ebetimi aye corona. Yes, symptoms na ebetimi aye tuberculosis. Ndi se nyame anye adoma ma ye ntimi ansa yare na wu a they will need to confirm. And we need a postmortem to be sure of exactly the intimacy Ghana for say yen twen until say report certified one beba ma obi amfa na dwene mu bu say and abayefo ne ku no and ayi corona ne ku no and now come for unfa so nsen fa so bi ani so ye de bi a che bibi ni wi ani wa wu kwa je de ye nto ye kongu but ye nim sa so obi a ni o be kire bo ye wo kwan obi a be fa so be ko se umpo yare bi de obekọ ntia no de mesra speculation ye nyai.
Thank you so much. Mr. James Abuaje, President of FIPAC. Yeah, that's a pa. Nyame adom ochina ye 1 week. Ne nyina de animu nyam ne ahon fe ne ahon de ne sika. Ebe ka kote ye 1 week na chini hu deport ya ye be ye no. Ti ebe da mu nyina ma sese mo doyi ni abema no. Abra ofri mu. Hey, nose mask mu kasa. Eje izo. Coronavirus. Mo ya na ye nyisu nose mask de nose mask no. Ano dey. It's not easy. Me suffocate cry. Me won't tell me. Nyabu try. We are very fine. Any abre, adia to any. Yenu ani yenya nsem kikane ya kikafa no. Too much. Prophets. Dunsifo. Mo running commentary no. Se oye busuani a ebe yode. Oye busuani pa na ye ka se fa ode hye ho a ebe yode yenyai. Na kasa ne bebre no nye no na de bishop na anya ko be den. Baba, Dave Hammer TV,
please, my name is Shompo Adote. You know me as a comedian. This TV is good, so subscribe and share for your people. Dave Hammer TV on YouTube and share. Sharing is important. Share this video.